so here is the barn. Barn is right here, and we got a storage container right there, which I do not use. And so what I'm gonna do is extend this barn out to right here, essentially doubling the size of it. And so to do that, this ground is not level. You can see it's very low right there, and then it kind of rises up. So I'm going to be digging this area out over here to make it level. You can see I got my pile of gravel right there, and oh, you can see all the cars I got. I got all this shit. I got these rolls of artificial turf, and they were free. They're from a football field. I got quite a bit of it, and I'm going to be using that somewhere out here. Quite decided yet. Then I got these beams. These beams are for my tractor project, but one of them is going to be forming the top of the roof, you know, the peak of the roof up there, and it being it's a W8, so then I can put a little rolling trolley up there, and you know, so I have a winch and can pull motors and whatever up from that beam. So I have to support that beam. I need enough concrete to support the pad of it on the front and the back, and I was thinking of putting a lift in too, and that's sort of a different project. But then I got this area in the back here, and I'm gonna be putting up a shed and someplace to store all my cars. You can see all my crap I have here, and you know, there's the '56 Nomad project, the Corvette, my RAV4, this is the Porsche 944. I've got this Volvo C30. It needs a new motor. I got my jet boat project, and there's you can see the 53 Willys project back there. There's my cement mixer that I made, and yes, my jet boat project. Converted this from inboard outboard. There's my Prius, my jet ski, and there's the Triumph GT6 project. You can see the Explorer back there. It's gonna donate its chassis for the Willys. There's one of my catamaran boat projects. So yeah, here's the barn. I ran the power line, so the barn now is power. I'm gonna cut this tree down too. It's pretty much dead and right in the way. So yeah, we got a lot to do here. But today I've rented the little Boxster tractor and, you know, front end loader, and so I'm kind of digging out the front out here, and I'm going to clear all this ground out too. And you can see under these tarps I've got all this press board. I've got this huge pile of all this press board for like $50, and so I'm going to be using it to kind of make the shed out of. I know it won't last very long, but last long enough. So, all right, there you go. I'm gonna update you later on how it's going. Yeah, here I got this trailer. I built this trailer for the jet ski. This is back here. Look at it. It's got. Here, check out this trailer. It's got PTI license plate from the 60s. And it looks like it's made in the 60s. So yeah, that's kind of cool with the drop axle.